Hey guys, Portia here, and today I am trying to figure out how well the Cricut Autopress will adhere Hotfix Rhinestones to fabric. Now, I did get that question in the comments a little bit ago, and based off of my experience using various blanks with the Autopress, my response was, I believe it should. Well, I want to figure out definitively, yes or no, will it or won't it? So the plan is to go ahead and grab ourselves a design. We are going to cut it out on my Cricut Maker, and then from there we'll go ahead and press it onto the t-shirt. And then once we pick that shirt up, will the stones adhere or will they fall off? We will find out together. So let's go ahead and get started. And here's the image that we are going to be using today. It says good vibes. I did purchase it from Etsy. I wasn't in the mood to design something today. Maybe we'll do that in another video. But as for today, I just wanted something pre-made. Now, one of the first things anytime I get an image, especially for rhinestone cuts, I want to make sure that I take a look at the instructions that the designer has given us. So one of the first things is I want to make sure that my image came in the right size. So I can already tell you we're going to have to make some adjustments, and we're going to adjust it to this particular size here. And then the next thing is I want to make sure that I have enough stones. Now, I will not be using these colors, but I have made sure that I have enough 10SS stones as well as enough 6SS stones. So let's first off go ahead and make the adjustments to the actual design itself. And so we see 9.859. That's exactly what that's supposed to be. And then this other size, the height should be 7.328. Now, the reason why we make sure that we keep the size the way it was initially intended is so that we make sure that these dots or pseudo rhinestones are 10SS size. And then we want to make sure that the smaller ones are the size for the 6SS stones. Now, if we take a look over here, we see that we are working with 3 layers. And if we go to make it, we can actually see that a little bit better. So on this particular mat here, I can tell that I do believe these are the 10SS stones. Our next mat, which is pretty much the majority of our stones saying the word vibes, is going to be 10SS as well. But I do see this particular designer wanted to make sure they filled in the space around the bigger word and the cursive word. So this is where our 6SS stones come in, which is why we really don't have that many. So here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead off camera and prepare my mats. And I will go ahead and cut the flock out, and we will begin to put our layers together so that we can go ahead and press them on the shirt. All right, guys, she is all cut out and blinging. Future reference, please remind me not to do a project this big. If we were just doing a test, I totally could have done something that was like 2x2, 3x3, but no, I had to go 7x9. But whatever, it is what it is. Let's go ahead and get our press set up. So I've already done my initial press to get the moisture out. I'm going to place this approximately 3 inches from the collar. And the plan is going to be to press this at 325 degrees for 15 seconds. We're going to allow it to completely cool, and then we'll press it one more time for good measure. Now, the reason why this is all in question is because this requires medium to firm pressure, and we do not know if the Cricut Autopress will apply enough pressure for the stones to adhere. But we are going to go ahead and find out together. Okay, so we are cool to the touch. I am going to slowly peel. So far so good. We are going to give this one last press for 5 seconds. Okay, so here is our moment of truth. Will the stones adhere properly? and I want to scratch on them. So we know we don't wash for at least 24 hours, right? But what I want to know is, was there enough pressure applied where any won't just like pop up like for no reason because they did not adhere properly. And so far so good, guys. I'm scratching, moving it all around, and let's see, nothing is popping off. So that's a good thing, right? We were able to prove our hypothesis. Yes, the Cricut Autopress will apply enough pressure to adhere Hotfix Rhinestones to fabric. I am pretty happy with this, guys. It looks so cute. I wish you guys could see the bling. I know the camera isn't doing this any justice. But yeah, guys, this is all I have for you guys today. I just wanted to share with you my experience with the Hotfix Rhinestones and the Cricut Autopress. I think this is a win-win, and I think now that I'm holding the camera in my hand, you guys should be able to see the bling a little bit better because it's really sparkling. But yeah, if you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful or even just entertaining, could you go ahead and give it a thumbs up? But guys, as always, until next time, peace.